reduce cholesterol. Having cholesterol in the body is good. But if it is too much, it is a signal that we are in danger. Many people suffer from high cholesterol due to lifestyle changes, bad eating habits, and stress. There are two types of cholesterol. One is bad cholesterol, LDL, and two is good cholesterol, HDL. Bad cholesterol, LDL, in our body is dangerous. This increases the risk of clot formation in the blood vessels of the heart. The same good cholesterol, HDL, helps remove bad cholesterol from the blood. High cholesterol is very dangerous for your heart health. If cholesterol is high, the risk of heart disease, stroke, heart attack, and hypertension is high. Keeping this in mind, experts say that the level of bad cholesterol in the blood should be controlled. Are we in the garden? Cholesterol. A study published in the National Center for Biotechnology Information claims that aloe vera pulp has bad cholesterol-lowering properties. This study has made it clear that taking aloe vera gel stops the formation of fatty substances in the veins. The study found that rabbits suffering from high cholesterol were given aloe vera pulp to reduce their bad cholesterol. Aloe vera can provide all the nutrients required by the body. It contains vitamins A, B, C, E and 18 types of amino acids. They remove impurities from the body and improve metabolism. It reduces weight. How to take aloe vera? Aloe vera pulp can be consumed raw and added to juices, smoothies, and salads. But some precautions should be taken while collecting aloe vera gel. This is because it has a layer of latex, which contains toxins. These benefits include: according to NCBI, apart from lowering bad cholesterol, aloe vera gel also offers many other benefits. Makes skin tight, helps reduce inflammation, increases immunity, improves digestion, provides anti-aging properties, and prevents infections.